Mark from Microsoftaccessexpert.com and winningsolutionsinc.com, and now we're in the afternoon of the second day, which is a Tuesday, of the Microsoft Partner Conference for 2015 in Orlando, Florida. And I just finished up my second afternoon session. And this one was a little more tedious and boring. They're not all super exciting. This one was kind of talking about how to license out and price out Azure. And Azure, for you who aren't familiar with it, is Microsoft's cloud service. So it's like Amazon has one where you can do cloud computing, and basically you're running all your applications and data on the cloud in a Microsoft data center, which isn't a bad idea for some people. Although it is designed for bigger organizations, there are ways to do it with smaller organizations. And what's important to know is we've become very adept, and we have very good hosted options for our customers who are doing access, because that's one of our big focuses here, and that's why you're on our YouTube page here for Microsoft Access Expert. So as much as you hear about Azure and many of the benefits of cloud, those that are more suited or better for large organizations, they're still available to small organizations. We just have to be a little bit more creative about how we set things up for your small organization. So never fear, if you're not a big operation and want to do some things in the cloud, you can, but you don't have to. You can still keep doing things on premise, which means in your office or at your location, and so you don't have to feel that you absolutely must go into the cloud. But that certainly is the continuing theme this year, because Microsoft has seen that where that's their biggest growth. And so what we learned about in this session was basically how to determine how much that's going to cost you, because it's based on consumption. In the past, you just had a website and it was so much a month, or you had a database that cost so much a month to host it, or you rented a server and that was so much a month. But you might be not have enough server power one month and have too little another month. And that's the big promise of the cloud, is that you have just as much power as you need, but that means your prices are going to vary based on your consumption of computing resources. So being able to sort all of that out and project all of that out is pretty complicated, and so we learned about how to do that in this session. So looking forward to applying that for our customers that need it, and for those that don't, we'll just keep you running the way you are, and that's fine too. So I'm going to head on to my next session. I'll hopefully be posting some more video. If you found this video helpful or a little bit interesting, it's just a short video, but please do give us a thumbs up. If you have some comments, put them in the comments below. If you'd like to get a hold of us and talk to us because you feel that we maybe understand you better than some of the big Microsoft partners who are looking for big engagements, that would be great. We'd love to talk to you. If you're one of our existing customers and you need to know, hey, what does this cloud thing mean, and what would it cost versus the way I'm doing it with you now, we'd be glad to talk to you about that as well. So you can contact us through our website at winningsolutionsinc.com or Microsoftaccessexpert.com, and that's the best way to get a hold of us. That'll give you our phone numbers and how to come see us and any other kind of information you need. So if you like these videos, feel free to subscribe to our channel, and have a great day. Thanks.